In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download files from Telegram and then how to find them. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Telegram app and then head over to a conversation. As you can see here, I got 3 different types of files that we can download: a video, a photo, and a file. The process of downloading photos and videos is different from downloading files. If you want to download photo or video, you need just to long press on it and then tap Add Save Image or Save Video. In both cases, videos and photos will be saved to Photos app, and that's where we can easily find them. To download a file, you need to tap on it, then tap at Share, and then Save to Files. On the next step, you will be prompted to choose a directory for that file. I'm gonna select Downloads folder, and then to save it to our device's internal storage, we need to tap at Save. After that, to find that file, we need to use Files app built by Apple. I'm gonna open it up, and then we just need to head over to the folder in which we've saved our file. I have saved it on my iPhone into Downloads folder, and that's where I can easily find it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.